We're just sitting on the front steps, see who's out today. Perfect timing. Hi, buddy. Come on. Get here. Hi. I got this one too. Look, you can't take the big one. That's I got two monsters. Yeah, Chip Chip. Chip Chip, come here. Want more than one? Come here. Come here. Come here. Look, how about this one? It's a good one. Come here. Come here. Dude! Come on, Chip Chip. How about the big one? Look at the size of that, Chippy. Yeah, he's sitting just off camera as usual. Come on, get over here. Look at the size of that. That's going to be a haul to carry back. All right, Chip Chip. Dropping peanuts. Go on, honey.